welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be setting up the Limerick Joy. So as you can see here, we've got all the components. I think the only thing that I'm a bit unsure about is the fact that it says in the packaging there's supposed to be 4 silicone gaskets. So, but I can only see 2. I'm not quite sure why there isn't 4, but basically it comes already inserted in the breast cups, as they call them. So I'm just going to use a little kitchen knife here to bring that out. Yeah, as you can see. And it actually comes inserted the right way around, because there's a certain way that you have to insert this. So if you just note how it was inserted, then you can just repeat that every time you want to put it back in. So it does say that the flat side is against the bottle. Sorry, the flat side is against the bottle cap, and the ridge side is towards the bottle, and that is the case here. So this part is flat, and that goes like this. And this part right here has a little ridge on the edge there. All right, and that faces the bottle like that. Okay, so you insert it like that. It already comes inserted. It's quite difficult to know that at the beginning. It just looks like it's part of the plastic, but if you use a little knife or something, you'll be able to then realize that it's actually a separate piece. So that's that inserted. Then you grab your bottle. So the bottle has the Limerick logo there. So it's actually 120 mils or 4.5 Oz, well, just a little bit over 120 mils, 130 mils, or about 4.5 ounces. Okay, so you can actually turn this into a teat, a bottle and teat, because the cover can be removed quite easily like that. All right, so that's the bottle part set up. Okay, so this is quite heavy, so it won't be able to stand on its own. All right. Okay, so the next thing is our pump. It's definitely got some weight to it. It's not heavy, but you can feel the weight. Okay, so it is portable, but it's not light either, if you get what I mean. So just open that. You can see I can actually hold it in one hand, so though you can feel the weight. So it's not heavy. Okay. All right. Ooh, this is sleek. It looks old-fashioned, but it's sleek at the same time. So there you go. Here we go, and it's got another film across the screen there if you want to remove that, but I'm going to keep that on. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to actually insert the bottle holders. So I'm going to grab that. And they're just here, just out of view there. Open that up. Okay, here we go. So they come in single pieces, and you just kind of slot it in. So slot it into this little slit here, and there's like a little stopper there as well. Okay, and then the other side. It's a little bit awkward to maneuver. I feel like if there is a nice addition that Limerick could add, would be some kind of handle, something to hold onto, because it's all like smooth and curved surfaces, which makes it just a little bit difficult to hold. Okay, so I've slotted this the wrong way around. So we're gonna do that correctly. Don't be like me. There we go. So now it can sit nicely. And then I've got my bottle there that I've set up. I can put in this holder right here. Okay, so that's that bottle. Now we're gonna set up the other one. And again, it's already in there, the gasket, and it's already in there the right way up. So of course, when you want to use this for the first time, you need to boil these parts or sterilize them before you use it. But this is just a setup video. Okay. So you just needed to make sure there that it fits in right. The screws on correctly. And there we go. So now we have got our setup. So next, we want to plug that in. So firstly, this one, so it's got two parts. This one plugs in like that, as I'm sure you already know. And then this to the side of the breast pump. So let's find that. So it's right here. Like that. Again, I would really have appreciated if there was some kind of handle. And then this part gets plugged into your power source. I'm gonna insert the micron filter. First of all, gonna undo this. This is a little puzzle, this. And the tubings are definitely not your standard tubings. These tubings are huge, as you can see. They're massive. So if you've used breast pumps before, these are not the same at all. Here we have it. Tubings are quite long, actually. They're very long. And very stretchy. All right, so let's plug this in. It's pretty straightforward. You just push this into that slot there. So basically when you insert it, it feels like it hasn't yet slotted in, but it seems like it has. So let's keep going. Now we've got to make sense of this tubing. Okay, I think let's start from the edge there. Separate them out. Okay, there we go. So this one goes at the back of this. You can see there's just a hole there. Push it straight in. So that's secure. And the same thing for the other side. All right, so we have our setup.